Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. It's time to get in the Christmas spirit and make a fun crock-pot dinner. I'm making a mulled wine roast. Let's do it. Grab that crock. Let's get cooking. It calls for 1 cut carrot. I just cut up a few baby carrots. 1 chopped red onion. A can of diced tomatoes. Tablespoon of ketchup. 4 cloves of minced garlic. A can of beef broth. Next you need your mulled wine, 1 3/4 cup. A couple slices of orange. A cinnamon stick. Some rosemary, black pepper, and salt. Give that a stir. The recipe called for a 2-pound piece of brisket. I couldn't find that, so I'm using a 2-pound piece of chuck roast. In a hot skillet, I'm gonna sear each side of this meat and place it in your crock pot. And then I'm gonna cook it for about 8 hours. Mulled wine roast. There's that wonderful seasonal spices in there. And it's winey. It's a wonderful Christmas meal. Merry Christmas. How does the Tooth Fairy get to the North Pole? On the Molar Express.